Actually, this is Wookie's property now. It used to be his dad, Jacques, in the mall. And now he's, I guess, got it in the will or something. I don't know how they work it, but he is such a handsome boy. Even though he lost part of his tail to mange, but it's better now. It's just a nubbins. He's got a nubbins here, Wookie Wook. He's so handsome. He's a handsome boy. We love him very much. And he lets us live here. Wookie Wookie Wook. He's so handsome. He's very comfortable with me. Are you a good boy? Are you my buddy? Yeah. You're my butterbean. You're my little butterbean. I love you. I love you. Yeah. Sweet boy. Sweet boy.